If you struggle with confidence, if you overthink everything, or feel stuck in bad habits, this video will fix that. I'm going to show you 3 powerful ideas from 3 life-changing books that can completely transform how you think and how you act. Channel identity. On this channel, we take powerful ideas from books and turn them into simple systems you can actually use. Section 1, self-awareness. Most people think confidence comes from being perfect, but that's not true. Confidence comes from being honest with yourself. In Daring Greatly, there's a powerful idea. Vulnerability is not weakness, it's strength. When you avoid discomfort, when you hide your thoughts, when you try to look perfect, you stay stuck. But when you allow yourself to be seen, when you accept your flaws, when you stop pretending, you start growing. Real confidence begins the moment you stop hiding. Section 2, stop seeking approval. One of the biggest reasons people lack confidence is because they need approval. They constantly worry about what others think. They hesitate, they overthink, they stay small. In the 4 agreements, there's a simple but powerful rule. Don't take anything personally. What people say, what they think, what they believe is about them, not you. When someone judges you, it reflects their mindset, not your value. The moment you stop seeking validation, you become free. You start making decisions based on your goals, not other people's opinions. Section 3, discipline and resistance. Now here's the truth most people avoid. You don't lack motivation, you're facing resistance. In The War of Art, resistance is described as the force that stops you from doing what actually matters. It's the reason you procrastinate, the reason you delay, the reason you stay comfortable. Resistance shows up right before growth, and the only way to defeat it is to act anyway. Not when you feel ready, not when you feel motivated, but right now. Discipline is not about feeling good. It's about doing the work even when you don't feel like it. Action plan. If you want to start today, do this. Number 1, notice where you avoid discomfort. That's where your growth is. Number 2, make one decision today without seeking approval. Trust yourself. Number 3, do one thing you've been procrastinating. Just one. Small actions create big change. Confidence is not something you wait for, it's something you build. Through your actions, through your decisions, through what you do daily. If you want to go deeper into discipline, watch the next video on your screen. And if you're serious about improving your habits, check the resources in the description. Start today.